What's up everybody? So the OG Nord will soon be 3 years old, but the beauty of these old OnePlus phones is the support for custom ROMs. And thus we have the Pixel Experience ROM based on Android 13 for the OnePlus Nord and other devices. Now that is in the stable version, which means you will get all the OTAs and everything along with the stock Android and Pixel specific features, which will give a new life to your old device. And also the instructions to install this one are at the end of this video, so stay tuned. And before we start, make sure to tap on that subscribe button and press that bell icon if you haven't already. And in case you wish to watch this video in Hindi language, here is a card to the BitTech Hindi channel. So now that this ROM is in the stable version, it means you will get all the monthly updates right into your settings. And you can use it normally as you do with a stock ROM installed. Now let me start off with the benchmark scores first. So on Geekbench, the device scores as high as 605 in single core and 1666 in the multi-core score. So these scores are only for your reference and don't mean that much in the real world usage. Now about the launcher and UI, which is nothing other than pure stock Android as expected. And this won't have any extra features, because just like the Pixel phones, you will have everything similar in the customization part too, including all the wallpapers from Pixel 7 series. And the launcher is as usual bloat free and works really well on 90Hz mode with smooth animation across the apps. We get the Pixel launcher here that all the stock Android fans like. You also get the Lineage OS camera here, which offers a little more than the basic camera app that we used to get before, though you can still sideload the full Google camera application just in case, and that will work fine too. But there is no OnePlus camera application here. Also don't expect OnePlus contacts and dialer to work, but you can use the Google dialer with call recording. That is actually kind of useless. Also this ROM passes SafetyNet, which means you can use Google Pay and all payment applications and other apps too. You obviously get the Material theming for all the app icons now. And we also get the always on display with little to no customization as expected. But the features like double tap to wake work just fine. In settings there isn't much to discuss, but the UI here is similar to that of other stock Android ROMs that you have already seen on this channel. And you cannot expect some big customizations out of this one, as it has to stay pure Pixel-like with some improvements. By the way, the alert slider also works fine in case you were wondering, and the wideband level is L3, which means you will watch Netflix only at 480p max, and other apps too like Prime. Also you won't get any OnePlus specific settings on this one. There are some new features from Android 13 as well, like the new sperm animation in the music tile, new active apps monitor, new notification permission toggle for all apps, new clipboard photo picker and much more that you see on the latest Pixel phones. By the way, we finally have the 5G support inbuilt with this ROM, which was absent in any other custom ROM so far. So now you can just toggle 5G here, and yes, it works just fine, but the battery life is okay-ish at best. I tried it with Geo and it works fine, yes. Apart from that, we do get the gaming mode from Pixel phones that has the inbuilt FPS counter to keep a track of those frames, which is handy and the gamer in you will appreciate it. And the device is now almost 3 years old and it can hold up just fine for casual gaming, that's it. In the battery department, it gave me around 5 to 6 hours of screen on time with medium usage. That includes social media apps, some calls and streaming, which is in line with some other ROMs that you must have tried till now. The charging time is close to 1 hour 5 minutes in my case, which is decent enough. So this one is basically for those who want nothing else apart from Pixel-like experience on their device, minus any extra features, and overall it can make any device feel like a Pixel with monthly updates and great stability. Well, which is better than what OnePlus did to this device. And I like the no fuss nature of custom ROMs in general. Now let's see how you can install this one on your device. So the process to install this one is very simple. Just follow me and don't miss out on any step. First up, you need an unlocked bootloader to install it. And if you haven't done it, just enable the unlock bootloader option in developer options in your settings. After that, you have to download the zip file from the link in description area, and that contains your driver, image file and the ROM zip file as well. So now right click on it and extract this zip file that contains your ROM and recovery both. In short, the bigger zip file is your ROM and the image file is your recovery, and you need the recovery to flash the ROM, as simple as that. So once this step is done, now it's time to connect your device in fast boot mode with your PC. To do that, just turn off your device, Now long press volume up, down and power key at the same time for like 4-5 seconds till you see this fast boot mode screen on your device. Now your device is ready. Just open the ROM folder that we downloaded in the first place and now type cmd in the address bar on the same screen and press the enter button. Now this will open a command prompt screen. Now here type fastboot space devices and this will show some number. If it does, then your device is connected just fine. If it doesn't, then you have missed out on something above, so restart the process. Also, if the bootloader of your device is unlocked, then you can skip this step. Else just open the command prompt and type fastboot space OEM space unlock and hit the enter key. Now the device will ask you if you wish to unlock the bootloader or not. So use the power key and select yes, and this will unlock your device. After this, reboot your device in the fastboot mode again by pressing volume up, down and power key at the same time and connect it to your PC. Now open the same command prompt screen in your PC and type fastboot space boot space recovery.img. And after this, just press the enter key and your device will reboot into the recovery mode now. Well done. Now just tap on this apply update button on your screen and tap apply from ADB. And now for the last step in this process. Open CMD once again and type ADB space sideload space and now drag and drop the zip file on CMD and press the enter key. Or you can just type the name like ADB space sideload space name of the zip file of the ROM and press the enter key. Now this will start installing the ROM on your device and it will be done in a few minutes. So leave it alone till it completes. And once it's done, you can disconnect your device, click on this back button now and select this format data or factory reset option on your device. Now click on format and this will wipe your internal storage. So once it's done, you are all set. And now just tap on the back button and click on this reboot to system option. And you're good to go. So once it's done, you are all set. And now tap on the back button, click on this reboot system option and you are all set now. So your device will reboot to this Android 13 based ROM. And I hope that was simple enough for you. And if you have any doubts, I'll drop a link to the Telegram community in the description area. And you can get your issues resolved over there. So this was a short way to flash Android 13 based pixel experience ROM on your Oneplus Nord. And if you do end up liking this video, make sure you press the like button and tap on that subscribe button for more videos like this one in future. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.